Hi, this is Margot Dragonesa and welcome to my YouTube channel. Yay! So first 2021 year upload, and I hope you guys will like this channel. If you guys are like me, you like to talk, you like to explain a lot of things, and you discover mga new gadgets, new things, please subscribe to my channel. And if you have any suggestions, reactions, violent reactions, you can just leave your comment below. Please share this to our friends, especially for all of you guys who are thinking of vlogging or just simply documenting their discoveries. And you don't really have to speak in English. I am actually a correspondent. Ibig sabihin, I'm a journalist, but I'm a foreign correspondent. Ibig sabihin, I'm in the US of A and I'm Filipina, but still I'm currently working as a travel host, broadcaster on an AM radio with DZME. So I use the name Margot Dragonesa. So please enjoy and thank you very much for your time. I hope this helps. Bye. Okay, so today we have received our package, and this is our Lavalier microphone. It has a 3.5 jack that you can use as your lapel microphone when you do blogging and other things that you want to do. Right now I am using the microphone, so for you guys that are listening and watching. So the box comes in user guide, interview set, content, and I also got another lightning jack. It's also to 3.5, and because I will have to hook it up on my iPhone 7 that I'm using right now. And this is what's in the box. Okay, first off, we have this beautiful black bag that comes with it. It's a pouch, and there are quick start guide that you can, you also get a free Y connector, so you can hook up your microphone and your earphone at the same time. We'll check that out. And here are some easy steps to teach you on how to record your voice. And just in case, there you go. So this is a waterproof pouch bag. So inside is, of course, the lapel, the beautiful lavalier microphone there. And it's so cute. It's so tiny with a clip. It has a rotating clip, and it comes also with extra wind muffs. So those are the wind muffs, so just in case you want to vlog outside and it's windy. And it also, that's also the reason why I got another lightning cable, 3.55. Okay, so what's inside is, more wind muffs. So I have 2 extra wind muffs, so I have 3 now. Yay! There you go. What else? Let's check. Okay. So we also have an extra extension cord. It's a 6.5 feet, just in case you want to shoot and have the microphone longer, probably more on interviews or other stuff that you want to use. Yep, so this is our set content in the bag of our lavalier microphone. And this is what we use for vlogging. However, I still have to hook it up with this Apple Lightning to headphone jack, because I won't be able to use my lapel microphone, my lavalier microphone, to hook it up in my iPhone 7. So inside this box, hold on. There you go. This is an original from iPhone products, Apple products rather. So this is what you get inside. get the exact adapter. This is what you call the adapter. And let me check what's still inside. Right, so you have more papers and more reading materials for the bathroom when you're bored. Yep, I guess that's it. And let's see. So this is what we're gonna use as an adapter for your iPad or for my iPhone 7 that I'm using. So this is how you hook it up. So you put your Lavalier microphone 3.5 jack to the adapter. There you go. And you are ready to vlog. Yay! So these are what's inside 2 boxes. The lavalier microphone and of course the adapter from Apple products. So this is what we're gonna use for our vlogging. Happy vlogging! Happy vlogging! Okay, so this is my regular talking voice if I don't have my microphone on my phone. So this is what we're gonna try. And then I'll also check anong klaseng boses, what kind of voice I can come up with. But usually this is the regular voice that I use, but the problem is it picks up all the sounds around me. So if you're trying to vlog or as a correspondent like me, when we give news, it's a lot better if you have this microphone. This is a lapel. Okay, so we're going to try it. So this is the voice that I use if I have the lavalier microphone. So this is the regular voice, and I'm not sure if it can pick up, so you guys judge it. But this is the volume that I use kung wala akong microphone. If I'm not using a microphone. Check 1, 2. So my voice is really loud and bassy, so I advise you guys to have at least like 5 inches away from your mouth if you have a big or loud voice like moi. And if you have a really low or little voice like you whisper, you can probably move it. But you have to be really careful when you have your lapel, because when you touch it or move around, you know, it's also going to pick up all the sounds that you're going to be making. So you really have to be careful. And this is one of the reasons why that I don't really like lapels. There you go. Please enjoy, and thank you very much for your time. I hope this helps. Bye.